so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Yo! What's up? It's me, Blippi. Check out my tight skateboard. Cool, right? I know. Hey, today, why don't you and I draw a skateboard? Whoa, skateboards are so fun. I'll start with the color orange. Yeah, it's a piece of wood on 4 wheels. Whoa, so to draw a piece of wood, let's go like this, because it goes up a little, and then all the way across, and then it goes up. Whoa, and then let's do a little loop, just like that. That is what you stand on. And then we need to draw the wheels. Okay, let's go right here. 1 right there, 1 right there. So that's 1, 2, and then there's 2 more on the other side. Just like that, and just like that. Whoa! Wow, skateboarding is so much fun. It's so fun to be active. Yeah, well, if you enjoyed drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again, bye-bye.
Blippi, come on everyone, let's make learning